Welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials I am going to show you how to create your Shopify online store with Shopify Face Builder app without hiring any developer, any coding skill, even any previous experience to build Shopify online store website. So I hope you will enjoy this video and it will be helpful for you. Okay, in this video I am going to use Beae app, that is Shopify Face Builder app, and absolutely it's for codeless website design. Okay, and here I am going to show you how we can do this using their free build template. I have already shared the details about this app in my previous video, that why Beae is #1 flexible landing face builder app for Shopify. You can watch this video in my YouTube channel, and here I have mentioned they have ready free build template that is absolutely useful for any new Shopify user to build their online store without any design sense. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to log in my Shopify admin panel. Login. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then I am going to click on the app button to install this app in our Shopify online store. Okay, from here going to click on the Shopify app store. Here is the Shopify App Store website. Then going to search Beae app. Here is the Beae app landing page builder. Click on this app. And one thing I want to share with you, that this app is absolutely free. You can create your full website with this free plan, and you get all the elements, all templates. So it's very helpful for any new Shopify user who started their business with the limited budget. Okay, now click on the add app, install app. Okay, we have installed the app. Now going to click on the pages button. Select the home page built with Beae. Here is the already template for choose. For example, I want to sell furniture product, so going to click on it, then edit template. From here we have to just change the text and images with our real business information and our product pictured relevant icon, and all the section is customizable. For example, I want to change the slider image, so to do this click on the edit icon, and here is the slide customization section. For example, we want to change the image, just click on the slide 1 and replace the image from here. In the same way we can change the slide title, also other text, and here the slider setting option we can set all the function. For example, infinitive loop, autoplay, item per row, spacing, slide control, anything as you like. Here I want to show you another things. For example, we want to edit the button, customize it or make it something different, so just click on the edit icon, and first I want to change the button text, shop now. Then you can add the button link, also you can add button ID if you use same page scrolling effect. Okay, you can also add icon. For example, I'm going to add cart icon. Select this one, looks here, cart icon, edit and select. Also I can change the style, looks very carefully. I want to change the border radius, just add 20 pixel or 10 pixel and it will be in all border, looks here. Also if I want to change the color I can do this, and if I want to change the color in hover just going to change the color from here. Just want to show you the difference, and text color will be white. Looks now. So it's super easy for any non-coder. Anyone can do this following these tutorials and with little bit of computer skill. Now I want to show you how you can change this section or customize it. Just click on the edit icon, and here you can change anything as you like. For example, button label, button link, button icon. You can change the icon position, icon alignment. In the same way, we can change anything from here. For example, we can add any collection in here. Select collection, home page, but of course we have to add image on our collection. For example, I have added this one. I know this one is not relevant, but I just want to show you how we can add the collection image. Also we can add video. So one things I want to share, always click on the edit icon and you get the option in the right side of your screen. Then you can change anything as you like. Just play around this page builder. You can do unlimited design, unlimited style as your wish. So I hope you can do this and you can make your website without any hiring developer using the Beae page builder app. And I recommend you should try one time minimum. You should try it for free. After customize and change everything, just click on the publish button and confirm it by clicking yes, I am sure. Wow, we have done. Just go to the home page. We have get our desired layout, but of course we have to change the demo or free built images from here with our original image. So I hope you understand, and in the next tutorials I will show you how we can design Shopify online store with Beae app from sketch without using any free built template. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.